Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing because the only way requires a registry change. First, make a restore point and export the taskbar registry key so you can undo changes. This protects you. Once done, save any open work and close apps because you will restart Explorer. Now open Registry Editor as administrator and navigate to the specific taskbar key. I'll tell you exactly which value to modify and why that toggle controls taskbar orientation. You'll now perform the critical edit. Open StuckRex 3 under the Explorer key and export it as backup, then double-click Settings, a binary value. Once open, change the specific byte that controls taskbar position to the vertical code. This flips orientation because Windows reads that byte on Explorer startup. After saving the binary, you must restart Explorer or sign out and sign back in so the shell reloads the new setting. Make sure to keep your backup export safe. You're finishing up, confirm the taskbar is now vertical. If icons look wrong or taskbar misbehaves, immediately restore the registry export you created. That reverts the byte and returns the previous layout. Once restored, restart Explorer or reboot to ensure stability. If restore fails, run system restore to your earlier point. And if you see unexpected behavior, make sure you edited the correct byte. Small mistakes in binary data can change taskbar configuration.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.